Dear student, come to the second part of the probability theory. In second part, probability theory, first point is occurrence of at least one of the given events. Occurrence of at least one of the given events. At least one of the given events. Now, here in this case, suppose A and B are two events defined on sample space S. If A and B are two events defined on sample space yes, right, then the occurrence of at least one of the events A and B, then occurrence of at least one of the given event A and B is denoted by A union B. And Venn diagram is for this information. You know the Venn diagram, right? This is your S or omega. This is your A and this B, right? And this is called A union B, right, student? This is a theory. Now, suppose if we take example, for example, S equal to 1, 2, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. This is your sample space. Then A, define the A event. Let A be the event that an even number so A equal to, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, right? This is your A. Now similarly define the B. Let B be the event that multiple of multiple of 3 right? So B equal to, what are the elements? 3 comma 6, right? Now if we take union of these two, so A union B is equal to, this is 2 3 4 6 8, right? This is your A union B, right, student? And occurrence of at least one of the given. What you have did here, simply take two events A and B are two event, and any two event must be defined on sample space. So define on sample space yes, then occurrence of at least one of the given events A and B is denoted by A union B. We have drawn the Venn diagram, and on the basis of Venn diagram, again we have taken the example, right? Now second point, occurrence of all of the given events or simultaneous occurrence of the events. Occurrence of all of the given events. Right? Or simultaneous occurrence. Again, same thing. If A and B are two events defined on sample space S, if A and B are two events defined on sample space yes, right, then occurrence of all of the given events, then occurrence of all of the given events is denoted by what is that symbol? A intersection B, right? And if you take if you draw the Venn diagram, this is your A, B, and this is your common A region. So this is common region is nothing but the A intersection B. Similarly, if you take the example, right, suppose S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Similarly, define the A. Let A be the event that multiple of 3. Let A be the event that multiple of, so A equal to 3 comma 6, right? Similarly, let B be the event that that an even number, right? So b equal to 2, 4, 6. Right, now take the common elements in both the sets. Common elements here, only one element, that is 6. Right, now third, occurrence of none of the given events. Right, occurrence, मित्र हो याच्यातच करेक्शन करतो. थर्ड नंबर, occurrence of none of the given events. None means काहीच नाही. Right, same, if A and B are two events defined on sample space, yes, right, then occurrence of none of the given events, none of the given events is denoted by, what is that notation? A union B whole dash. Right, or we call as this bar. Right, both having the same meaning. And the diagram is AB, right, and the A union B dash. A union B bar, right, this region is called A union B bar. Again, take the example S equal to, suppose 1, 2, same, I will take same example. A be the event, right, 3, 6, B be the event that multiple of suppose 8, right. If you take, okay, suppose even number and multiple of 3, right, even if you take, okay, multiple of 3 is B, right, and A union B is A union B is 2, 3, 4 and 6, right, and we want A union B bar, right, means 1 minus this one means S minus A union B, right, and A union B bar equal to other than these elements. What are they? 1, right? Then 2, 3, 4, 6. A union bar is 1, right? This is your occurrence of none of the given events, right? Next occurrence is relative occurrence. Relative if A and B are two events, same A and relative let A and B are two events defined on sample space S, then let A and B are two events defined on sample space yes, right? Then relative complement of A is A bar intersection B, right? And similarly also relative complement of P with respect to A is denoted by A intersection B bar, right? This is your relative complement. Suppose if you draw the Venn diagram AB, this is your S, right? This is your A intersection B bar, right, student? And this is your A bar intersection B, right?